Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix TikTok no internet connection problem. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can go ahead and simply open YouTube or Google to test your connection. If it's slow or unstable, try toggling on airplane mode on and then off. After that, you want to go ahead and simply clear TikTok cache. For that, open up TikTok and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon right over here and then inside here tap on this three dot icon. Now go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. Inside here scroll below and then you'll be able to find an option that says free of space. Tap onto it, then tap on clear beside cache. Tap on clear again. And just like that, once you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply force close TikTok and then reopen it again. Once the cache has been cleared, go ahead and simply force close TikTok and then reopen it. After that, you want to make sure your TikTok is updated. Open up your App Store and then in the search bar search for TikTok. Once you search for it, go ahead and simply tap onto it, and if it says update instead of open, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, head back to your home screen and then restart your phone. Fully power off your device and then turn it back again. It resets temporary network issues. And as a last resort, you can go ahead and simply reinstall TikTok. For that, you have to go ahead and uninstall TikTok from your mobile device and then open up your App Store and then reinstall it. This ensures the latest version and removes corrupted data. And that's it. That is simply how you can fix TikTok no internet connection problem. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.